Hello, hi. This is Dr. Ramakrishna Rao Boddu, consultant colorectal gastro surgeon. If you are in the medical field, either you are a doctor or paramedical, the reef knot is called mother of all knots, and it is the very basic and one of the safest knots. We're going to discuss about the reef knot and how to use it, how to practice it. To start with, we have this one for practice, and here you take the two ends of them like this, and here you just turn your hand like this and then make this one, and next one is over the finger, it comes like this. So when you just pull them, it comes like a flat knot. That is very important. So the first step is over the palm, turn it around, go to the other side, okay, and next step is over the finger, turn it and then goes down. So what you can see is these are all forming all very nice chain of knots. Can you see this one? Each one is a separate chain. So we repeat again. Okay, this again reef knot practice. This is my right hand holding the long one, and this is my left hand holding the short thread. So if you just go here, just over the palm, going to the opposite direction, it just makes a flat. And the next one is my left hand is turning down, and then with this over the finger technique and going to the opposite directions. Can you see it's forming a very nice flat knot? Okay, repeat again, over the palm going there and then turning it over the finger going to the opposite direction. Can you see here it's just coming as a proper flat knot here. So we do few of them to see how it looks like at the end. So that shows like how good you've done the work. So when you pull this down, and then can you see this one? Can you see very nice chains comes there? So we tried with the one I just used them as laces, shoelaces. I use them. So you can use different things. And in the real practice, that is not none of the threads will be like this. So we have going to use the current one, which is like a real practical size. So here is again two ends. One is just over the palm, going to the down, and here turn it around, going to the opposite directions. And here is making a reef knot here. Here is going to the opposite direction. Can you see my hands are going up and down? They're not really fixed. That is the beauty of this reef knot. You can do as many as possible because this is for practice. I'm doing it there. Can you see every time is my hands are moving? So again over the palm, turning it around, going upwards, and the upward one has to go down. So this again I'm turning around over the finger. So this is called over the palm and over the finger. Chain will form. That is shows like you've done quite good job. Okay, so when you are at early stage, this repeats as many times as possible. So this becomes a very automatic, very simple. Okay, please just practice it multiple times. Probably might, but if you put effort and concentration, you will master it in the next half an hour time. This is the most important knot you will remember in your life. If you become good at this, and then other knots will follow, and then it becomes very easy. And even the senior most people who are not trained properly, they do it like granny knot and those things. They're called slip knots. They're not safe knots. Okay, we'll talk in more detail about instruments and other knots later. I hope you understood. And one more thing, I'm going to give you a small tip for you. So here is a practice one. When you just anything you can hold on, hook on anything, just do like this. First, initially put an effort so that you are consciously moving hands to the opposite directions. The left hand doing all the job, and the right hand is just maintaining the tension. That's very important. If tension is not there, the knot becomes loose. Two hands going to the opposite direction, and we just continue it as long as you wish. And can you see now is I'm doing without looking into that at all. So don't be feel anything embarrassed, but that becomes very easy once you continue to do it for a few times. This maybe concentrate for half an hour, and in this session if you can just do this within half an hour, so you are an expert and you have very good hands. So I would urge you to just concentrate on this, and if you're not done it, don't worry, so you need to put a bit more focus. Okay, just a comment down in the comment section how long you took for this to master. See you next video. Thank you.